How to enable 4G support for your SIM card in your phone. Let's see how you can do that. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings menu. And once you open up your settings, you have to note that the settings might be a bit different depending on the device you have. I'm currently using a Samsung device, so yours might be a bit different. You basically want to head over to the Connections tab, and then from here you'll find something called Mobile Networks. Just tap on it. And in order to manage the 4G network, what you can do is choose which SIM card you use for which SIM card you use the most for your mobile data, and you can choose that one. So let's say if I use SIM 2 for my mobile data, what I'm going to do is tap on this and change this connection settings to 5G, LTE, 3G, or 2G. If I set this, it will change the mobile data SIM to a SIM 2, and SIM 2 will now be used for mobile data. If I tap on OK, as you can see here, the network mode now has been switched. If I want it on SIM 1, I can tap on it and then turn on the 5G LTE for this one. And that's how you basically enable the 4G support for your SIM on your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.